make Eforiro with me. So this is my shaki, kpomo, and dry fish boiled together. Is ready. So in a heated pot, I put palm oil, then tomato paste, and I added the seasoning just to make the tomato fry quickly. And I'm going to add my locust beans just to make sure it fried together with the tomato paste and let the aroma start coming out and the taste as well. So allow it to fry for a while, for let's say like 5-10 minutes, just to make sure the taste go into the tomato paste. Then I add my peppers mix. So in this I added my scotch bonnet, my onions, and my bell pepper. Then I'm just putting all my seasoning all together to make it fry with the pepper mix and the locust beans and everything. So I'm going to allow it to fry and make it dry a bit, not too dry. So just make sure you always mix it so that it won't start burning. And now I add all my orishi, all my protein. I've added them all inside. Then you mix properly. Make sure you mix well so that the pepper mix can go in properly. So initially I didn't want to do the video for this soup, but I just felt okay, why not just do it. So I'm mixing properly and I'll allow it to fry again for like 5-10 minutes. Then I turn it again. Okay, at this point it started burning, so I had to like reduce the heat. So make sure you reduce the heat and add your vegetable of your choice. So I'm using spinach for this, and it's washed and ready for the delicious Eforiro. So just mix up properly, then cover and allow to cook for like 5 minutes, and then it's ready. Eforiro is ready, guys. It tastes delicious. So I'm making my swallow. I use oatmeal for my swallow. It's so nice and healthy. So this is me just turning it, and I can't wait to eat my Eforiro with the oatmeal. It tastes so nice, guys. Trust me, it tastes nice. So the oatmeal is so easy to make. Within like 5-10 minutes it's ready, and enjoy. Thank you, guys. This tastes amazing. So I've added the recipe in the description below.